just give people an idea of everything we have seen so far thus today. And boy, do we hope the bulk of this is behind us. But the map I'm about to put on the screen is overwhelming. This is a sea of spaghetti of every convective storm-based warning that has been issued today by the National Weather Service across the greater Carolina area. I do acknowledge most of Georgia is blank. I don't have them loaded here. We're just talking about the National Weather Service offices that cover the Carolinas. And you can just see how this played out in bulk of the area, I-26, I-20 South, including Augusta, including Columbia, including Florence, Myrtle Beach, Charleston, Hilton Head. I'd have to go and try to count these polygons up to get an idea of everything that played out today. But this was such a South Carolina convective event. But we did have, and you can see it there in green, those flood bulletins that were issued not only in portions of South Carolina, but also North Carolina. We were expecting some of that persistent rain. It's what we had here in Charlotte. Luckily, we didn't get anywhere near a flash flood warning or anything. These are all going to be advisories and the like. But we did have one storm report represented in the North Carolina side for some 44 mile per hour winds in the Greensboro. But just take a look at the day in South Carolina. That is overwhelmingly memorable.
Yeah, it's going to be something that we talk about for years to come. We were talking about it earlier, James, before you hopped on. It kind of is reminiscent of April 2020 when we had those major tornadoes. It kind of moved through the same areas. So, yeah, it's definitely going to be a day we'll probably be doing a recap show on about in a couple of months from now when all the surveys are done and everybody's allowed to take a breath. So,
yeah, just to be fair, I've added Peachtree City into this now, and you can really see how it just queues up and makes a run across the southern plains of Georgia, Columbus, Macon, Americus. Let's see who else I can call out in here. Warner Robins, of course, coming into the Savannah area, Fort Stewart. Wow. Just wow.